Hey, sixth grade. So we're working on our Scratch project. Back from first semester, we had the choice of making a Constellation Scratch project. And so I'm going to show you step by step on how you could possibly do that. And so the first thing we need to do is sign in to Scratch. And we're going to click on the little file folder that says My Stuff. And we want to go to Constellation Report. And we want to see inside. Okay, so we have been putting in all of our story in using these purple looks blocks, and we added our whole story that we wrote for our narrator. And this is the sprite that's going to be telling my story. And today we're going to be looking at our story, but we're also going to be adding things that our characters are going to say, like the girl who's the main character and the boy who's a side character or supporting character. So the first thing that I've done is I waited 5 seconds because when I was looking at the narrator, you have to wait 5 seconds before she starts talking about the girl character. So I did 2 + 3 = 5. I waited that time and then I wrote something that supported what was in the story. The narrator was talking about how my character loved baseball, so I wrote, I really love baseball. Then the narrator was talking for 6 seconds, and after 6 seconds, then she said, dang it, I can never hit a ball for 2 seconds. So now I'm going to go back to my narration story and I'm going to see who I should make talk next. So whenever she tried to hit the ball and missed, a little boy on her team would always laugh at her, and this happened for many weeks. So now it sounds like the boy he has a role to play in my story, and I have to make him do something. So I need to add up all my seconds. So I have 3 + 2 = 5. Then I have the 6 more seconds. So 5 + 6 = 11. And then I have 3 more seconds. So 11 + 3 is 14. So I'm going to click on my boy, my little boy character. I'm going to use an event block. I want to use the same event block that I have for the little girl and for the narrator. So when I click that flag button, everything will happen at one time. Then I'm going to go to looks. Oh, sorry. Then I'm going to go to control, and I'm going to wait the 14 seconds. So I'm going to wait 14 seconds before I talk, because that's when the narrator is speaking, that's when the other little girl is speaking, and finally, my boy character that you can see, I clicked on him right here, he's blue border, is going to be able to speak. So I'm going to go over to looks, and in the story, he's making fun of the girl. So I'm going to say something like, ha ha ha, you can't hit it. And I'm going to make him say that for 3 seconds because it's kind of long, so I want to make sure that he has it. Okay, so let's try it. So when I click this flag, I should see my narrator talking, I should see my girl talking, and then I should see my boy talking, and it should have to do with what the narrator's saying. All right, so I'm going to click my flag, and let's see. All right, there she's talking. The narrator talks, then she says, I can never hit the ball, and the boy says, haha, you can't hit the ball. All right, perfect. I'm going to stop it right there. Okay. I only have 30 more seconds left, so let me try to do a little bit more. So the girl would try to hit the ball and the boy would laugh at her, so that still happens. And finally, the girl became so mad at the boy and failing that she said this would be her last day playing baseball. So tomorrow we'll add a little bit more and we'll get it all done.